Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Hope you're having an awesome day. Thanks for taking some time every day to hang out with me. Today's video I'm super excited because it is a Carolina Girls collab. We're going to be doing a paint swatch video. I don't know how well this is going to turn out because I chose a very green, blue color story because I have been wanting to do a Pokemon series. I felt like this was going to be a good combination segue getting into that series as well. So we're going to kick off with 001 BULBASAUR, and I will be utilizing my Athena palette by UCanB, and I love it. I definitely will repurchase another one because I have definitely been making some good progress in this palette for sure. And then if I need some actual eyeshadows to complete the look, I will be dipping into my beloved Be Perfect Cosmetics Carnival 1 palette. It is my most beloved palette, and I just got the new Manifest palette by Be Perfect Cosmetics, so I definitely want to do a tutorial review on that palette as well. I will link my collabs and Carolina Girls playlist to watch previous videos, and if you're visiting from their channels, welcome. Thank you so much for checking me out. I hope you subscribe and get this video like before you leave. I am going to warn you, this is going to be my first ever video using the glue stick method to set down my eyebrows, so it may or may not go over well. Grab a snack, grab your makeup, let's create a look or follow along trying to recreate BULBASAUR. Alright, and this is the final look. I think we nailed it, you know, like that show, nailed it. I just think that the eyebrow setting is going to be a work in progress, but it's okay. It was a lot of fun trying this out because I definitely want to do some more Pokemon, and what more appropriate than to start with Bulbasaur. The other issue that I ran into is I have very oily lids, which makes no sense because the rest of my face is dry. Also, I should have outlined the white on my eyelid first for some of the eye details too, so it is creasing and it's kind of pink. But everything else, you know, I think if I added some more triangles, you'd probably get a better idea for that Bulbasaur look, or prosthetics for his bulb or something. So it's all just a fun learning curve. I hope you guys enjoyed the creation of Bulbasaur, and let me know in the comments below which Pokemon you would like to see next. And don't forget to check out Dorissa and Patrice's videos. Their videos will be linked in the description below. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and if you don't, I appreciate your view anyways, and I'll see you in the next video.